Rafe from the Plugin India review team, and this time we are reviewing something special for you. It's a product from a company called D-Light, and they have these wonderful lanterns of different types. This is the Solar Lantern S20. As you can see, it looks very much like a regular hurricane lamp. It's a familiar shape, and most people love it because of the way it looks. You can see that it charges directly from the sun, so no electricity required, and it's bright enough to light up a whole room. It's got two settings. On the lower setting, where it can serve as a night lamp or just to illuminate your path, it will last for 8 hours. And on the higher setting, where you need a lot more light, say for studying or eating a meal, it will last for 4 hours. Here is a chart which shows you all the stuff that these people have imagined you can do, and it's very interesting that they've got it in the front of a cycle where it can light the path for you. You can study, you can eat your food, you can have a conversation in a room, and it's meant for farmers who go out into the field. So it's a wonderful product, and here we go. We are going to open it. This is your unboxing. Pop. Eco-friendly packing over here. Even the plastic is thick and recyclable material. It comes in a nice bubble wrap. It's got your warranty card on it, and it says 2 years replacement warranty, which is very good because you don't have to worry about somebody repairing it and waiting for it to come back. They'll immediately give you a new piece. Wow, it's got a very good quality. The plastic is wonderful, and it's got these special khachas where you can set it to be a certain angle, and then probably hang it on a hook somewhere depending on how you want it lighted up. You can see over here there is a port which is a light and a thin Nokia pin charger. So in case you have electricity and you have a Nokia charger, you can quickly charge it up. Here is the solar panel, and what I can see is that when I point it towards the sun, the green light over here glows a lot brighter, and it's showing that it's already charging. So let's take a look. Here you go, and as you can see, the green light is bright, nice and bright, and as we get it away from the sun, you can see that it's gone away. And it has a radium or illuminated button, so in the night, even if you can't see anything else, you can see the button for your lamp and you can turn it on. A lot of thought has been put into this. Let's check out the brightness. We go here to our dark area below the table. This is our dark room, and this is setting 1, which will last for 8 hours, and this is setting 2, which will last for 4 hours. Frankly, there's not too much of a difference, but I think it will be telling in a dark room. And the transparent cup over here serves to diffuse the light. Otherwise, the LED on its own would just jar the eyes. So it's a wonderful design. That's the unboxing of the Solar Lantern S20. We think it's a wonderful product.